what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Byshaad, and in today's sneaker video we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to dye with a design. So we're going to mask out a design that we want. In this particular video I'm going to be doing flames, and I'm going to dye with Angelus dye. I'm going to do a red dye. You can use whatever dye you want. I will show y'all what products I use and the type of equipment you would need. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So first, you're going to need some sneakers. I am using the Mid Air Force Ones, all white. You can do whatever you want, but just make sure the shoes are white, and make sure you're using the correct dye, leather, suede, etc. Second, I have my Angelus dye. I'm using red, so red dye, and it comes with this little cotton ball tool. If you don't want to do it the method I'm doing, it's multiple methods. You can use whatever one you want. You can actually put it on directly, or you can use a water method, which will cover the shoe even more, and it will be faster, and you won't use as much time. So I'm also using my heat gun. I got this from Angelus as well. I'm using this to put on my vinyl, and then I have some tape to help mask off, and then here is the design. I'm using a flame design. This is Oracle 651 vinyl. I'm going to put this on the shoe to mask out the shoe, so it will kind of give it a flame design. So yeah, let's go ahead and get set up and get into this video. So first and foremost, take out the laces. I'm going to leave these laces white because the shoe will have some white in it. So I'm just going to remove the laces. Nothing too complicated or complex about this. Alright, now got all the laces out. Now I'm going to put the design on the shoe. Disaster. Alright, now that I got the laces out the shoe, I'm going to put the design on the shoe. I'm going to put the design all around the shoe, so. Alright, I like just about like that. It will come down some, I see, but that's okay. I'm going to apply some heat and press it down so it'll stick. Alright, so after you get your design how you want and sticking to the shoe, I will go over it more to get these bubbles out to fix certain spots, but make sure you tuck in where the panels meet so you won't have any excess dye escaping to mess up your flames. And then I'm going to put some tape on the bottom, and I'm going to dip it from the top in. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this side and the other shoe, and then we'll be ready to dip and dye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we're back and the shoe is finally dry, I'm going to peel the vinyl off so we can see what type of design we have, if it worked or not. And the bottom is supposed to be white, with the flames are going to be white as well. And after I do this, comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to outline it in black or a different color, or what should I do, or should I just leave the shoe like it is. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this is what we have. Have the flames on the bottom. Not 100% perfect, but can't complain on the results. I love them. And the color is not what I expected, but I really do like the color, how it gave me a light pink, how it gives me a light pink and an orange look. Here's the other shoe. So yeah, there we go guys. Alright, so make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below on what do you think about this custom. Have you ever tried this, or would you try this, or would you wear it? And also make sure you subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. I'm out.